Hey there, everyone. My name is Shanna Bull, and I am a digital storyteller and marketing educator for wine and food businesses in the San Francisco Bay Area. I am shooting this video to take people through how I create a landing page on my website. I use Squarespace, but it's really easy to do with Squarespace, WordPress, Wix, or other websites too. And if you don't have access to your own website, you can ask your web designer to create a landing page for you. So the reason behind a landing page, I have an Instagram page that I love, and I love telling people to click the link in the bio. It takes people to shannabull.com/hello from Instagram. And it comes up to this page where I have a picture of myself and I tell people a little bit about me if they wanted to know more. I talk about my love for dry rosé wines, craft beer, elaborate cheese boards, always important, and food adventures with my husband and little redheaded 5-year-old. Then I talk about my classes or digital marketing products, all of that. And then I have several buttons that I created using Squarespace. It's very easy to do with their kind of drag and drop type of platform. So I always tell people to start at the top and work their way down. So the most important thing I want people to click on are my new digital marketing resources. The second is a landing page that takes people to get a freebie. Right now it's 15 content prompts for wineries specific to if they're trying to come up with content during a crisis. Then I just go to my own blog, my recipe for Instagram course that I have online, North Bay Business Journal articles, Sonoma Magazine articles, and then I have a fun quote, just because, surrounding yourself with tacos is always a good idea. So that's my landing page that people will get to if they click on my Instagram account. It's actually the second most popular page on my website after a Linktree article, which, funny enough, talks about landing pages. I love the idea of Linktree. And if you guys don't know what it is, it's an app that you can create your own custom landing pages, just like what I showed you. But the reason I don't like it is because then you're sending people to someone else's website. And depending on where you send people to, you can send people to an Eventbrite link for maybe a virtual event that you're throwing, maybe an article that a magazine wrote about you, or whatever it is you're sending people that might not necessarily be on your website. So you're not actually capturing that traffic. And when it comes to retargeting people with ads, once they come to your website and they get the Facebook pixel on their, on their cookies, something like that. Do not quote me on that. But you can retarget people if they come to your website. So maybe you want to send them to your new product page. You can target people that have already been to your website. But if they go to linktree.com/ShannaBull, then you can't retarget them. So that's why I like creating my own landing page. I also like being able to customize it and have control of it, because there's been times where Linktree has gone down and it's trending on Twitter and everybody's in a tizzy. Granted, websites can go down too as well, but I'd like having that control. It helps me. It's also easy for me to go in to Squarespace and change up things if I have a new product or something I'm really excited about. So landing pages are definitely important when it comes to Instagram marketing. You only have one link there in the bio to tell people to go to. So make it count. All right. Well, Thank you for listening and taking a look at my landing page on my website, shannabul.com. All right. See you guys later.